Welcome to Autoworx. Today we have this SL63 with a squeaking noise from the engine, and we want to check from where is it coming. Okay, I checked the wheel belt and the guide pulleys and everything, and I checked if the wheel belt is on the right place and if the wheel belt is okay and not damaged. The wheel belt looks fine, everything looks okay from the outside, and now we want to check if the noise will be gone if we remove the wheel belt to get into it. Okay, I removed the wheel belt tensioner and checked the pulley, and it's easy going, so that looks good. Now we checked the other guide pulley, and this one is too tight and causes this noise when you rev up the speed, and other guide pulley is also too tight, so we need to change both pulleys, guide pulleys for the wheel belt.